So in this video, I'm going to show you how to cancel debit order on Capitec app. So I just have to show you what is the inside. So once you are in the application, you are in home, so you just have to press transact. Furthermore, I just have to remind you that you must have an updated application so that this will appear in your mobile. So first off, as you can see, I've circled it. As you can see, you just have to press debit orders. Once you have pressed debit orders, you could see something like this. Once you are clicking a debit order card, and you just have to click the stop button. Once you click the stop button, it would say the stop debit order. So you must have to press next after that and make sure to um read the instructions of how negatively affect your credit record. Once you are clicking the next button, it would also say that what is the reason of your stopping the debit order. Once you are clicking some reasons about how or why you wanted it to stop, this would appear in your screen if it is successful. And once that's done, cancellation is success, and that's it.